And if today is any indication, we are in for a busy wildfire season. And researchers have found that the ground around wildfires is more resistant to water. Brian Hoffman spoke to scientists over at the Desert Research Institute about a new study aimed to find out why.
Wildfires in Nevada are a common occurrence and have burned thousands of acres just this year so far. But even when the fire is out, the surrounding soil is affected, even if it is outside the burn scar.
Soil has all kinds of organic compounds in it, and inorganic too, in addition to just sand grains. And those compounds can participate in all kinds of chemical transformations during fire.
To further understand this, scientists from the Desert Research Institute performed a study using sand, fire from juniper pines, and what's called cold smoke, or just the smoke without any flames or heat.
What was surprising to see that also the coal smoke itself turns the soil what we call hydrophobic or water repellent.
Now, that pilot study was just looking into the effects on sand. Now, the main study that they're hoping to do will actually take a look at the soil that is around wildfires all throughout our region.
Soil, and some people call it dirt, is a very, very complicated thing from a chemistry perspective. So we wanted to start rather simple. We took a clean sand and then exposed that sand to a fire.
One working theory is that the oils released from the smoke and fire seep into the ground, making water sit on top and evaporating faster than it might be absorbed.
Some of the compounds produced by fire are oily. And so that oil just repels water. So water can get in, so it sits on top, and if you have a strong rain, a lot of it accumulates and it starts running down the slope.
The result of this study may allow for preventative measures against things like flash flooding and erosion in areas with burn scars.
The purpose of this study is really to find out why we are seeing these big flash floods and debris flow events after fires.
Covering the story, Brian Hoffman, 2 News.